A very good afternoon to everyone. Well, you know that English is the most important language in the world. It's not seen just a useful skill, but as a symbol of better life. It opens the door for social and economical aspirations. English language occupies a highly important position in national and international education system. In today's the careers in the field of science and technology, business and commerce, English has required a good knowledge. It has become the passport of getting a new job, not only in our country but also in abroad. English is the means of communication. It brings the people from all over the world together. And now, this is my team from 6th class to 10th class. They are going to do a skit on parts of speech. I would like to welcome Srivalli.
I'm English. I am queen of all languages. I have 8 daughters. All daughters complete me. Meet my daughters. Hi, I am first daughter of English. I am Nan. I am name of person, place or place. My examples are Sita. Sita is my best friend. Bag. I have my own bag. India. India is my country. Hi, I am second daughter of English. I am pronoun. I replace my elder sister now. And my examples are he is a good boy. She is a beautiful girl. It is the most beautiful picture. Hi, I am third daughter of English. I am girl. I am very active. No sentence is complete without me. And my examples are play. I play cricket. Cook. She cooks well. Watch. I watch a movie.
Hi, I am fourth daughter of English. I am an adjective. I always comes before my sister noun. Beautify and modify. And my examples are smart. Our principal ma'am is very smart. Beautiful. Swarupa ma'am is very beautiful. Tall. Ganga ma'am is very tall.
Hi, I am fifth daughter of English. I am adverb. I modify the beauty of noun, pronoun and verb. You can easily identify me as an end with ly. And my examples are
Quickly. It's done quickly. Easily. You can do it easily. Soon. I will see you soon.
Hi, I'm sixth daughter of English. I'm preposition. I always stand before my sister noun. I tell the position of the noun. And my examples are